Hey kids, it's Mrs. Pina. I'm going to explain to you how to do Hooke's Law experiment, which is in packet number 2, and it is on the back of the cover page. So the instructions are all here for you, but I'm going to demonstrate real quick just in case you're confused. So you need a meter stick, and you're going to be using the centimeter side. You also need a red spring scale, which are back on the materials table, and you want to make sure that you have it set so that you can read the side with the capital N, which stands for newtons, and that's how much force. So what the directions tell you to do, excuse me, is to cut your rubber band so that it's no longer in a loop. So if you're starting with this small skinny rubber band, you're just going to cut one section of it so that it makes a line instead of a loop. Then you're going to triple knot it on the end of your spring scale, which I've already done here, so that you can pull on it and it's attached to the bottom hook. The first thing you're going to do, the data table is a little confusing, so if you look here, you're actually going to ignore this first section and go ahead and draw a line down the middle of each one of these. And on one side, you're going to put the reading for the length of the rubber band in centimeters, and on the other side, you're going to do the reading from the spring scale in newtons. Okay? So the first thing it tells you to do is just to gently stretch your rubber band out so that it's straight. You don't want to pull on it, and your spring scale should still be reading 0 newtons. And you want to measure it, and you'll be working with a partner or two so you guys can decide who's going to do what. So you want to measure it, and mine right now is at 10 centimeters. So I would put 10 cm for rubber band 1, and then 0 newtons in that double column that I created by putting the line down the middle. Then what you're going to do is your partner's going to keep the meter stick straight, and you're going to start pulling. Pull once, and now I'm at 14 centimeters, and my spring scale is reading about 0.4 newtons, which is around the first line. I'm going to record that, then I'm going to pull again, and now I'm reading about 0.8 newtons, and I'm at 21 centimeters. Then I'm going to pull again, record, pull again, record. So each time you pull on your rubber band, you want to record the length in centimeters from your meter stick and what the spring scale is reading in newtons. Okay? Then you're going to take that rubber band off, and you're going to find the next rubber band. There's another one that's kind of a medium thickness. You're going to cut it so it's not a loop anymore. Triple knot it onto your spring scale, and you're going to do the same thing. Hold it straight on your spring scale to get just a starting reading, and the newtons should be 0. Then you're going to start pulling, and I believe you're going to pull 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times. If your rubber band breaks, or if you get all the way down and you can't pull anymore, then you can stop. It's okay if you have 1 or 2 blank spaces. The last one are the really long, stretchy rubber bands. So you're going to cut, there's probably some already cut back there, but if you need to, you're going to cut one, measure it, and start pulling, okay? And then there's 2 follow-up questions at the bottom, so make sure you answer those incomplete sentences. And if you have any questions, you can ask another group, or you can come ask me. Good luck, have fun.